how to track your ticket order on Ticketmaster UK. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to track your ticket order on Ticketmaster. So first thing, you have to log in. Press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. Enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you can go ahead and navigate the section that says My Account or My Tickets, and then from this section you will see a list of all your tickets purchases. Then you could select the specific order you want to track, and then you can check the order status. You can just go ahead and view the details by tapping on the three dot icon or just pressing on the details button, and here you'll be able to find information about the order status, delivery method, and any tracking information if applicable. And then you can look for and tracking details, and if you opt for e-ticket or mobile tickets, you can usually view and download them directly from this section. And along with that, Ticketmaster also sends email updates regarding your order status. You can check the email associated with your Ticketmaster account for notification and further instruction. So if you've encountered any issues or need more detailed information about your order, you can contact the Ticketmaster UK customer service for assistance. They'll provide you further assistance or help and update you on the status of your tickets. So that's basically how you can track your ticket order on Ticketmaster. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.